However you shoot your jewelry right now, it's costing you time, money, or control. Phone, fast and free, also hit and miss. Photographer, expensive, slow, and you're not in control. DSLR and a Lightbox, good results, but there goes half your week. Here's how you can shoot your whole collection in-house in minutes. Studio quality every time. 20,000 jewelers in over 100 countries already have it. Family stores, designers, wholesalers, manufacturers. Here's what most jewelers are doing right now. You pay a photographer hundreds, sometimes thousands. You wait days for the files. Half the shots aren't on brand, the colors are off, the sparkle is dead. So you reshoot, or you settle. And while that is happening, your competitor is posting new pieces 3 times a week. They are not better jewelers. They have a faster way to show their work. This is the GemLightbox Max. It is not a lightbox with AI bolted on. It is an AI-powered workflow built around a capture system made specifically for jewelry. 12-point precision lighting, true shadowless capture, sparkle control so every facet moves the way it does in your hand. An open lid design that fits your whole collection, from a solitaire to a statement necklace on a bust. At $49.99, most jewelers make it back in their first month by cutting photography costs, saving hours, and getting inventory online faster. Pair it with the GemCam Pro and you've got the elite kit. In just one click, you get razor-sharp macros and social-ready video, and even better, all the content can go directly to your website with our one-click Shopify integration. And before you spend $1, let's answer the questions that actually decide whether GemLightbox Max belongs in your business. The big one, will this actually work for my pieces? Jewelry is the hardest thing there is to photograph. Diamonds go flat, gold goes dull, colored stones lose their depth, chains are hard to set up and get consistent. The Max is built for that. One controlled jewelry environment for the full range, so your team can capture pieces the way customers need to see them. And you don't have to guess. Before you buy, our team walks through the exact pieces you sell. We onboard you and your entire team when it arrives. And if it's not a good fit for your business, you are covered by our money-back guarantee. It's a full system that will help you take control of your website photos, 360 videos, customer approval images, repair records, social posts, and Shopify listings, all in one place with the click of a few buttons. Here are some other questions we get. 1. Will I actually be able to get consistent results without trial and error? Yes, GemLightbox is built to remove the part that makes jewelry photography difficult: lighting, reflections, sparkle, color, and consistency. You are not setting up lights, adjusting shadows, or trying to make every piece work from scratch. Place the piece, capture it, and share it with your customers, website, catalogs. Your newest hire, your sales team, your repair team, all get the same result on day one. And support is there 24 hours, 5 days a week, in every language and time zone. 2. Why GemLightbox and not other cheaper lightboxes? Generic lightboxes give you a place to put your jewelry and some lighting. GemLightbox is built specifically for jewelry, not general products, with controlled sparkle, reflections, color, shadow, videos, 360 capture, and connected software for editing, descriptions, sharing, and e-commerce content. It's an all-in-one package. 3. Will this help me move beyond basic photos? Absolutely. Most jewelers pay $100 to $150 for one set of proper macro shots, then still chase the back and forth. With the Max, we completely cut out that mess around, saving you precious time and money over a longer period of time. And we go beyond basic photos with our 360 video features and AI Shopify integration. Most customers stop paying their photographer in the first month. Listen to one of them.
Prior to GemLightbox, our photography was quite rudimentary, shot with a standard digital camera, minimal lighting, no effects, and lacking detail. We used it primarily for appraisals at the time. Now we're able to shoot all of the photography needed for our social media, website, and every other application to help us in sales, as well as clearly documenting images for appraisal work.
If you've got an older GemLightbox, we'll trade you up. On another brand, we'll credit up to $1,000 towards the switch. Free shipping worldwide. 2-year warranty, personalised onboarding for you and your team, and you're covered by our money-back guarantee. Same as the 20,000 jewelers in over 100 countries already shooting with us. Click below, start shooting in-house this week.